Okey Dokeys!
Hi everyone, and welcome to Okey Dokeys. Today we're going to unlock the secrets of crochet abbreviations. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, understanding these shorthand symbols will make following patterns a breeze. Let's get started. Crochet abbreviations are like shortcuts used in patterns to make instructions compact and easy to read. Instead of writing single crochet, patterns use SC. It simplifies reading, but it requires a bit of learning. Before you start, it's crucial to know if your pattern uses UK or US terms, as they differ slightly. For example, SC in the US is DC in the UK, which stands for double crochet in the US. Always check which terminology your pattern uses to avoid confusion. Let's go over some common abbreviations. CH stands for chain, SLST for slip stitch, and REP means repeat. Knowing these will help you follow most patterns. For instance, SC2TOG tells you to single crochet 2 stitches together, a technique used for decreasing. Now let's read a pattern together. If it says CH10, SC in second CH from hook, SC in each CH across, you chain 10 stitches, single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and continue single crocheting across to make 9 stitches total. Simple, right? A few tips. Keep a cheat sheet of abbreviations handy until you memorize them. Use a highlighter or sticky note to mark your place in complex patterns. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these abbreviations, the easier it gets. That's all for today. Thanks for joining me at Okey Dokeys to decode crochet abbreviations. Subscribe for more tutorials and keep stitching happily. See you next time!